about my dog. He loves his new toy. Yeah. He has very flappy ears. What did you do? What did you do to your earpiece? Right in your tail. Where? People say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh, you booped the camera. Ah! Let me just fix this. Boop. Ah! Like the scratches. Whoa. Hey, bees. A treat? Let's go get a treat. Let's go. I give him carrots. Oh, this fat one. Sit. Give me paw. No. Give me the paw. Give me the paw. Sit. Give me paw. Good boy. Nose touch. Boop. And lay down. Lay down. Lay down. He likes to hide under the table. Jesus, look at me. Oh, you're eating your carrot.